Tired of breaking your spreadsheets with massive, unreadable VLOOKUP formulas? What if you could just ask an AI to analyze your data and write clean, repeatable code for you instead? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at Quadratic, the AI-powered spreadsheet designed to completely change how we analyze data in 2026. So, what actually is Quadratic? Simply put, it's an AI spreadsheet that connects directly to your data and helps you understand it fast. Instead of forcing you to memorize complex syntax, Quadratic lets you ask questions in plain English. The built-in AI then does the heavy lifting, automatically writing formulas, Python code, JavaScript, or SQL to generate your charts and insights. One of the biggest headaches in data analysis is dealing with scattered files. Quadratic solves this by letting you connect to almost anything. You can bring in CSVs, Excel files, PDFs, and even live databases into one unified spreadsheet. Once your data's in, you can say goodbye to the old way of doing things. Instead of writing a massive, hard-to-debug formula to pull customer data, Quadratic's AI can generate clean Python code that merges your dataset seamlessly. This makes your sheets incredibly easy to read, easy to verify, and virtually impossible to break. You can simply type a prompt like forecast Q4 revenue or what's driving our dips and watch the spreadsheet build itself. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the ability to unify live databases, APIs, and static files into one place is a massive time saver. Plus, having code-backed insights means your data team can actually trust and audit the logic behind the numbers. For the cons, it's worth noting that our third-party user review data is currently limited, so we don't have a massive database of long-term user feedback to share just yet. However, the platform is already trusted by over 250,000 people at top companies and universities. One potential hurdle is that if you or your team are completely unfamiliar with basic coding concepts, seeing Python or SQL in your cells might feel a bit intimidating at first, even though the AI writes it for you. Overall, if you want to turn messy, scattered data into fast, explainable, and shareable insights without the formula headache, Quadratic is absolutely worth a look. You can actually get started for free by heading over to quadratichq.com. What do you think? Are you ready to trade your Excel formulas for AI-generated Python? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and we'll see you in the next one.